All right. We sent home homework last night. It should be pages 52, 51. If you want to make sure your child has the right one, make sure at the top it says session 5, and then it will say construction, paper, scooter, snails. It will look like this. For this little video, what I want to do, I know a lot of us are through parent teacher conferences, we've talked about the fact that we teach math so much different. So what I'll be doing is putting up videos kind of explaining how we are teaching your students to do the math things that maybe we were taught a little bit different. So that way, if you want to, you can help them otherwise. But always remember, the homework is meant for the students. If they do not know how to do it, they are instructed to circle it, bring it back the next day, and during math, we will go over it. So do not feel like you have to help them. If you want to help them, here are some things. So looking at that first subtraction problem, one of the strategies that we teach is to break the number apart. It's called expanded notation, but what we want them to do is we want them to pick one number and break it apart. So if you look at 67 minus 28, what we want the students to do is essentially take 28 and we want them to break it up into two numbers. And the two numbers that would make sense are 20 and 8. So what we ask students to do is we would go 67 minus 20. Now, hopefully, students can do that fairly quickly. They can, 6 minus 7 is 4. So then 60 minus 7 minus 20 would be 40. So we have 47. The other thing is if your students are not able to do that quickly, they can always count back by 10. So they could go 57, 47. That would get them right where they are. We do not want them counting by ones, but hopefully that they are able to do that. If not, just encourage them to do the best that they can and then bring it in and ask us. Now that we have 47, we have that 20 dots. We ask them to cross it out. Next, we would ask them to now take 47 minus 8. Now, there are a couple ways that you'll see our students do this. One of the ways is they can just use their fingers and count back. Obviously, that's not the most effective method, but it is a method and it will give them the right answer. The other thing that we like them to do is they can take 8 and they can split it up into what we would call jump into a friendly number. So we know that 8 can be 7 and 1. So 47 minus 7 is 40. And then we have it's not when we write it. So 40. And then we have one more. So we have to subtract one more, which would give us 39. So we're able to get to that number by taking each number and kind of breaking it down to more simple numbers to allow the students to use what they know about math to help them solve more difficult problems. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to reach out. If you'll notice, there is a spot for direct comments, so you can right on the video, just send me a message and hopefully I can answer it. Awesome. Once again, thanks for your support and let us know what we can do to help.